Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper purse using rough sheet. First of all, we will need a rough paper in A4 size, a scissor, glitter pens or sketch pen and stapler. So let's get started. First, select a point and fold it like this. Fold the upper part too. Now you have to staple it like this. And 3 pins there too. Now we have to cut circles on the top. There's a technique to cut it. Fold it like this and then cut a half circle. It's very easy to do. Now we have cut it. It would be like ovals. Now we're going to make patterns. First with the golden. Color the first one. Now we have colored it. Let's take another color and color the second one. It would be orange. Now we have colored it too. Now we have to again do golden and then again orange. We'll make another heart with orange. Now with golden. Now we're going to draw stars with the blue color all over.
Go.
Now we have made them all. And you can look at the inside part too. Thank you for watching. Bye.